Look at this wire, guys. It's all covered with icicles.
That's why we have no power.
Yeah, we don't got no power.
It's a ripoff. Okay. Now that I got that over with and now my butt's wet, we can go on an adventure.
Look at this tree over here. The heck?
This is what you do so you don't slide on the ice.
You hear that? This is how you get your traction.
That one's broke. That one's broke.
I think you need to fix it.
They're all broke.
Go get the duct tape.
I'll be right back. Not really. Oh my.
Come on.
Did you say the year and everything?
Oh yeah, this is Storm 2013.
Yeah.
That's right, son.
Couple more days and you'll be Christmas. Broke the camera.
Oh snap!
And yeah, I think that's about it.
Bye.